This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you are interested in this video but you do not understand the Shona language, you can check in the comments section. You are going to find a link which takes you to a similar video which has been recorded in the English language. Thank you. Tiri kuenderera mberi nequestion paper redu June 2016 ZIMSEC Ordinary Level Mathematics. Tava pa question number 15. Question iri kuti the table shows the sizes of shoes worn by pupils in a class. So tine shoe size, then tine frequency. Saka size 5, the frequency is 6. Size 6, we have a frequency of 14. Size 7, a frequency of 12. Size 8, a frequency of 8. And size 9, a frequency of 2. Then, question iri kuti find part A, the total number of pupils in the class. Then part B, the modal shoe size. And part C, the median shoe size. So we want to start with part A. Part A iri kuti find the total number of pupils in the class. So tikatarisa table yedu, we have shoe size and we also have frequency. So frequency zvairi kurepresenta, frequency iri kutiudza the number of pupils which were the same size. Kureva kuti kana tine frequency of 14 per shoe size number 6, zvareva kuti we have 14 pupils kana kuti 14 vanhu vanopfeka size number 6. The same with a frequency of 2 per shoe size number 9, zvareva kuti we have 2 persons vanopfeka size number 9. So if we want to find the total number of pupils in the class, we are simply going to find the total or the sum total of the frequencies. Saka here, to answer our part A, we are just going to add my frequency ese, because frequency it could represent the number of pupils vanopfeka a certain particular size. So starting with 6 plus 14 plus 12 plus 8, then plus 2. So 6e, 14, 12, 8, na 2. So let us add here. So tokunotanga panapa 6 plus 14, 6 plus 4 inotipa 10. Saka here we have 20. That plus 12 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, again it's 20. That plus 2. Whatever could eventually we have 20 plus 20, which is 40, plus 2, which is 42. Question at the total number of pupils in the class. So this is the total number of pupils in the class. That calculator, tango add my frequencies, because frequency it could represent the number of pupils wearing or sharing the same shoe size. Let us go over part B. Part B iri kuti we need to find the modal shoe size. Saka panapa, we have to understand what a mod is before we can attempt this question. So represented in a different color because it's not part of our solution, but this information is material to our understanding so that we answer the question correctly. Saka danyora in that color which might be yellow. Nekuti izvi hazvitarisiri kuti zvinyore kana uchiansa question iyi, asi zvakakosha kuti uzvizive kuitira kuti uzogona kuiansa zvakanaka. Saka kana tichiti mod, because B iri kuda the modal shoe size. Kana tichiti mod, tinenge tichitarisa, in this case we need a shoe size with the highest frequency. That is what a mod is. A shoe size with the highest frequency. So mode tiri kutarisa mafrequencies pamakombeya. Inenge ine frequency hombesa ndo inenge iriyo the mode. So in this case now, tikatarisa patable pedu apa, we are going to see kuti frequency hombe ndi 14, but 14 iri associated with shoe size number 6. Kureva kuti in answering our question, the model shoe size is size number 6. So our answer here is going to be shoe size 6. Let us go over to C tuone. C iri kuti titsvage the median shoe size. The median shoe size. Saka we need a working understanding of what a median is. Saka kana tichiti median. A median, of course, this word median rinotoredzera from the word middle. Saka a median is something to do with a middle quantity. And in this case, the median shoe size. We are going to look at our shoe sizes. Toona kuti what might be the median or the middle shoe size. But there's something important, manch, when we want to find the median. So this is a nota bene fact. Very important, most important fact. Kuti in context, the shoe sizes should be arranged in either ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. This is a very important fact. Let us demonstrate takatarisa the table. So that's our table. Kutsvaga the median shoe size. Before ta consider kana tada kutsvaga the median shoe size, we should make sure that the shoe sizes are arranged in either an ascending or descending order. Preferably in ascending order. Nachita ascending, tikureva kutanga ne the smallest shoe size tichienda ku shoe size hombesa. Then of course in descending order, tikutanga ne shoe size hombe, the largest shoe size, tichidzika to the smallest shoe size. So luckily, katarisa our table, we can notice that my shoe sizes are already arranged. Because we are starting with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To mean that they are arranged in an ascending order. Starting with the smallest, then to the largest. So let us write my shoe size pasitone. So our shoe size pana. This is now our answer. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Then kanata arrange my shoe size edu in order. The next step which we are going to do ndeyekuti tichaverenga the number of elements we are dealing with. So we have two possibilities. Is either the number is odd kana kuti the number is even. Saka let us read panapa tione kuti ichi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 5 elements. Saka since there are 5 elements, or they are odd. Saka nari odd manje, we can just cite the median. We can just cite the median. But ingeri pachena, we can actually cite it out. Asi kana iri even manje, we do it differently. How do we deal with the case where we have an even number of elements? I'm going to show you in a moment, but ngatimbodelay question yedu. Saka panapa manje, kana takuda kuisolva, toda kutsvaga shoe size iri pakati. Saka what we can do is, chekutanga tinotozoona ndi 7, but tasvika sei pana 7. Tikacheka yekutanga iyi, tonocheka yekupedzisira, then totera tocheka E, we can clearly see panapa kuti the median shoe size is shoe size number 7. Shoe size number 7. That's why tati kana tichidhila elements ari in their number odd, like 5 is an odd number, we can actually just cite the median. Tinotongoona kuti median ndeyani. Asi kana iri even now, for an even number, we are actually going to do something different. So tatopedza nequestion yedu, taanza A, taanza B, taanza C. But manje ndakuda kuperekedzai necase yekuti ma-elements atiri kudhila nawo anenge ari even. And by even, I mean kuti tikaverenga the number of elements, they give us an even number. So let us say panapa kuti ma-elements atinawo ndi 2, 3, maybe 7, 9. And saka akaarrangewa in an ascending order. Part yekuarrange tatoita. But toda kutsvaga the median. Tikada kuita zvekucheka. Tikacheka 2 uyu, tocheka 9. Of course, tichasara tine 2 elements pakati. So what we rather do, kuti tiwane the median, tichatsvaga the average of these 2 elements. Kureva kuti tichati 3 plus 7 dividing by the number of elements, which is 2. So what is 7 plus 3? 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 over 2 to give us 5. Kureva kuti the median iri pakati pa 3 na 7, and it's what? It's actually 5. That is what we do if the number of elements are even when we count them. So this is how we answer this question. Maybe let us give a summary of what we did. So pekutanga, question inoda kuti titsvage the total number of pupils in the class. We realized kuti frequency iri kurepresenta vanhu vane the same shoe size. So tikaedha mafrequency edu ese, tichawana the total number of pupils in the class, which we did, and we got 42 pupils. B yanga ichida the modal shoe size. Taona kuti the mod, and in terms of shoe size, issue size in the highest frequency. Then tacheka patable pedu, taona kuti the highest frequency ndi 14. So the shoe size is associated with 14 ndi 6. That's why we got this answer, shoe size 6. Then C yangada titsvage the median. Taona tine zvinhu zviviri zvakakosha kana tichida kuziva the median. Firstly, the median is more like a middle term. Then secondly, kufanirwa kuarrange ma-elements atinawo kana kuti ma-numbers atinawo in either ascending or descending order. Totsvaga yepakati. Kana tikaverenga ma-elements atinawo tikaona ari odd, we just cite the median. Asi tikaona ari even, tinotsvaga the 2 middle terms, then we find their average. If you have any question pertaining to tozvoita sei, you are free to ask in the comment section. If you have any other O-level questions, ZIMSEC, Cambridge, or any other paper, you are also free to post them in the comment section, and we are going to try to attend to them. Namabatsirika, please subscribe, like, and share. Kuitira kuti vamwe vawane rubatsiro rwamawana. Thank you for watching.